Hello, welcome back everyone. How's everyone's afternoon so far? Thank you, thank you. My day has been great as well. I'm so happy to see all of you today. Thank you for coming back. So today we will be learning about deleting compound words. This is important because it will teach us that some words can be made up of two smaller words. So, quick review. Who can take a guess and tell me what a compound word is? Yes, yes, it's two words that make one big word. Yes, yes, two words that make one big word. Yes, that is correct. So, how we will demonstrate this deleting compound words is by using our hands. So, we we'll have our word out in front of us like this, using our palms out in front of us together like this. This is our word. This is our compound word. So our left hand will be our first word and our right hand will be our second word. So for this exercise, I will say a word. I will take away the first word and then you guys will tell me what is left. So let's do an example. If we have the word fireball, without fire, what is left? Ball, yes, correct. Fireball without fire is ball is left. Yes, good job, good job. So let's continue with another word. If we have sunflower without sun, what is left? Flower, yes, good job. Without sun, all is left is flower. Good job. You guys are doing so good. Let's do another example. Airplane. Without air, what is left? Plane. Yes, good job. Good job. You guys are doing so fabulous. Okay, our last word. Bookstore. Without book, what is left? Store. Yes, good job. You guys did an amazing job. Thank you guys. And that will be all for today on deleting compound words. Make sure you practice this at home by finding other compound words that you might see perhaps maybe on your cereal box or that you hear one on TV or something. When you're sitting there, just be like, oh, um, campfire without camp is fire, something little like that. Okay, so thank you guys and have a good rest of your day. Thank you. Thank you all. Thank you. Thank you. Bye bye.